There are strange things done in the midnight sun by the men who moil for gold. The Arctic trails have their secret tales that make your blood run cold. The Northern Lights have seen queer sights. The queerest they ever did see was that night I cremated Sam McGee. Sam McGee was from Tennessee, where the cotton blooms and blows. Why he left his home in the south to roam round the pole, Lord only knows. He was always cold, the land of gold held him in a spell, but he'd often say that he'd rather live in hell. On a Christmas day we were mushing our way over the Dawson Trail. The talk of your cold through the parka's fold, it stabbed like a driven nail. If our eyes we'd close, our lashes froze, and sometimes we couldn't see. The only one to complain was Sam McGee. Well, that very night as we lay packed tight in our robes beneath the snow, the dogs were fed and the stars overhead were dancing heel to toe. Well, he turned to me and Cap says he, "I'll cash in this trip, I guess. Promise me you won't refuse my last request." Well, it seemed so low, I couldn't say no, and he said in a moan, "It's the cursed cold, it's got right hold, and I'm chilled down to the bone. Yet it ain't being dead, it's my awful dread of an icy grave that pains. So promise me you'll cremate my last remains." Well, a friend's last need's a thing to heed, and I swore I wouldn't fail. We started on at the break of dawn, but God, he looked so pale. He crouched in the sleigh and raved all day of his home in Tennessee. That night a corpse was all left of Sam McGee. A promise made, a debt unpaid, and the trail has its stern code. The days to come, though my lips grew numb, in my heart I cursed that load. The trail was bad and I felt half mad, but I swore I wouldn't give in. When I looked down, old Sam was wearing a grin. We came to the marge of Lake Blue Barge, and a derelict there lay, jammed in the ice. I saw in a trice she was called the Alice May. Well, I looked at it, thought of it, and I said to my frozen chum, "Here," said I, "is your crematorium." Planks I tore from the cabin floor, and I lit the boiler fire. The coal I found that was lying around, and I heaped the fuel higher. Well, the flames soared, the furnace roared, a blaze you seldom see. And in those coals I stuffed in Sam McGee. I took a hike, 'cause I didn't like to hear him sizzle so. The heavens scowled, the huskies howled, and the wind began to blow. Well, sick with dread, I bravely said, "I'll just take a peep inside," and slowly opened the door wide. There sat Sam looking cool and calm in the heart of the furnace roar. He wore a smile, you could see a mile, and he said, please close that door. Well, it's fine in here, but I greatly fear you'll let in the cold and storm. Since I left Tennessee, it's the first time I've been warm. There are strange things done in the midnight sun by the men who toil for gold. The Arctic trails have their secret tales that make your blood run cold. The northern lights have seen queer sights, the queerest they ever did see. That night I cremated Sam McGee.
What's that noise ringing all around? Is that what they refer to as the other northern sound? It's like a three-ring circus starring four-legged clowns. We're just guessing this affair cause they're the ones who hold the ground. Howling for the starting count, itching to get out and run, up for it whatever the cause. Life is all a happy race, it's hard to keep a somber face when everywhere you look there's just dogs, dogs, dogs. Noses to the ground, dogs, dogs. No sedentary hounds. You may not have a theory of what makes the world go round, but people here will tell you that it's dogs, dogs, dogs. Hey. Lend them your ears and they'll lend you a tail, but once you let them turn it, you can kiss their holy grail, cause they can move out rather quickly where the earth meets the sky. Hundreds line to start up just to watch the bird fly. Husky kisses for the missus as the mystery unveils. They're bursting for whatever arises on the trail. They got short hair, long hair, blue eyes or brown. All got one thing in common, they live to cover ground. Tongues and lungs and frosty toes, vapor puffing from their noses, people blowing kisses and calls. You see the spirit in their eyes, hear the yearning in their cries. Let us do our thing, we're just dogs, dogs, dogs. Woo! Ladies and gents, I give you dogs, dogs. Some yapping, some content. You may have come some distance for this serious event, but life is just a party when it's dogs, dogs, dogs. Oh yeah. Mushing's one big ride where nobody understands, nobody lends a hand. I got my dogs by my side, and I got an ill skill, ain't your usual team. You can call me late for dinner, but never call me green, 'cause I can leave you in the brush if you wanna mess with me. Harness up and see what I mean. Stars in my eyes and frost on my nose. Another couple hours with Grandpa Joe's. Early up the mountain and I'm homeward bound. Gotta climb it if you wanna, climb it if you wanna, climb it if you wanna roll down. Maybe I'm reckless, but I don't care. I'm chasing the call of the wild out there. Goodbye, folks, I'll try and keep in touch, but all I wanna do is mush, mush, mush. Trail's getting dark, the dogs know where to go. Funky Boulevard would have got me, you know. Look out now, I'm ready to tangle. Show you what I got inside. You're coming up fast, 'cause I'm coming faster. With my headlamp on trail, I'll whistle right past you. Gather it up, gather it up, gather it up to the finish line. Stars in my eyes and frost on my nose. Another couple hours from Grandpa Joe's. Early up the mountain and I'm homeward bound. You gotta climb it if you wanna, climb it if you wanna, climb it if you wanna roll down. Maybe I'm reckless, but I don't care. I'm chasing the call of the wild out there. Goodbye, folks, I try to keep in touch, but all I wanna do is